We have created our site is now ready. We have installed theme, and also we configured the YAML file, and also we have some content over there, and we created some on the command prompt or terminal, something we modified manually over here, and something we actually modified or created from this Visual Studio Code also. Now let's see how we can run this thing. To run this thing, at first we need to run the server, right? So we can use the same terminal to run the server. We can type some command over there, and then we can run the server. But instead of doing this, I'm going to use like Visual Studio Code. It will be easier. So I'm going to open the terminal inside here, and here I see right now it is showing this is the folder. It is configuring automatically like this. We can choose some other shell also from here, like we can easily go there, but this shell is fine. And here it is showing open chat cross start typing dismiss, something like that. Okay, anyway, I'm going to type on command here pwd just to check whether we are in the correct folder or directory of this website. And here it is showing is the current directory. Okay, that means everything is fine. Now to run this thing, at first we need to run the server. We can run the server by typing the Hugo command, Hugo, then space, then we can type the server keyword server, and then minus D, capital D. This should be capital D, and then we can hit the return key, and very shortly it will give us this type of thing. And here it is showing pages, 9 pages are there, and then some other things. We created 2 pages here and some other pages, I believe inside this theme we have probably. Anyway, we don't need to check those things, but right now we have only 2 pages and it created some other pages. Okay, and here it is showing some debug window, like built in 12 millisecond environment deployment and something like that, and web server is available at this location. So this is important, so we have to copy this thing. I'm going to copy, and now I'm going to open the terminal, not terminal, Safari browser, and I'm going to open a new tab, and then I'm going to paste it over there, the whole thing, localhost 1313, this one, and then we have to hit return key. And if everything is fine, then we'll find like this. So FewSteps sites, so this is our website, and this is the home page content, right? And here also, here we see FewSteps site is there, and this is basically the content of home page, right, whichever we created. And we created another page, let me go there. We created another page, Udemy dash coupon, so we can also access that site also. So I'm going to open the Safari browser one more time, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste it again. And after that, we have to type Udemy dash coupon, and here you see Udemy coupons page is there, right? And this is the content over there. We can directly modify, we don't need to run the server. We can minimize this terminal like this, and here I'm going to update this page like Udemy coupon, latest coupon, for example, latest coupon. I just added this text, okay, and I just press command S key, and if we go to the terminal, actually you see it is dynamically changing everything and it is rebuilding everything, right? So we don't need to run the server again. And don't close this server running. If you close this thing, the Hugo site will not be run locally. So I'm going to open Safari, and then I'm going to see here without refresh it is giving us this update latest coupon, right? So I can show you some other way, like for example, I'm going to like decrease the size of this one like this, and also I'm going to open Visual Studio Code, and here I'm going to like decrease the size of this window. Now I'll show you side by side whether it is updating dynamically or not, and you can also check from here also, it will update. So now I'm going to remove this thing, and I'm going to type something, hello coupons, and I didn't save it. See here there is a dot, and I'm going to hold command key S key together, and the dot turns to cross, you'll see, and it will be updated here and also here also. So now I'm going to press hold command key and S key together, and here I see this is updated, hello coupons, as we saved it. And here also it is showing like some file, this file Udemy coupon is modified, right? Same way, if you want to modify the other file like index file, which is called homepage file, we can jump to index, and then we can type something, like this here, this is a demo homepage, And once I type it, then I'm going to hold an S key together, and it will be saved, and it will update automatically here and also here. So that's it. In this way we can easily create the site uh, from this like markdown file. Okay, and that's it. In this way we can run our project, I mean run our website on the browser after running that server like this.